We got LUX Venus underwear. So you can see Salman Khan there. He's a brand ambassador. It's a 3-box set. Let's open this. It's quite tricky. It's packed very nicely. I don't think this is a company pack. The distributor might have packed it like this. So as you can see, there are 3 pieces. Let's open one of the boxes. It's quite a nice package. Let's pull out the underwear. Yeah. A very nice boxer underwear from LUX Venus. It's a pretty good underwear. Will be very much useful for people who likes boxers. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. I'll be back with more underwear videos. I'll see you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.